Thanks for checking out AutoDrill videos. So this is a MS2-10 two-spindle head. It's an ER16 style, capable of up to 10 millimeter or 3/8 holes in steel. And this head, with its drive tang in the back and the proper adapter, can be put on a CNC machine, a drill press, of course on an auto drill, on any of our competitors' units, on a mill, on the face of a motor. I'll put it on the front of a propeller of an airplane if you want. Just got to figure out how. Anyway, so you got a 210 here, and then we've got some parts here. Just to show you what we do with these heads, we carry and typically keep all the parts for these heads in stock. So we can replace an entire turret. Let's say somebody crashes into this thing with their automation and they wreck it. We'll just ship out a turret or two and put them in the housing. Or if they happen to blow up the inside, let's say they forget to grease it. Right? There's a grease zert right there. You can't really see it because of the angle. There it goes. If they forget to grease this thing and they're running this thing for a couple of years, it's going to die. The gears are going to wear out. These are hardened helical gears down here. You know, the needle bearings are going to go bad. Spindles are going to wear. Something's going to happen. And we will ship out the parts, or we'll do in-house repairs. So we would love to keep you up and running with your products. And we do this for our 2 spindle heads, 3 spindle heads, and 4 spindle heads that are adjustable from ER8 all the way up to ER25. We also do this for our fixed pattern heads. Some of those heads have as many as 50 spindles each. So yeah, let us help you become more efficient, more competitive, help you make a lot more money. Contact AutoDrill at autodrill.com or 800-871-5022. That's 800-871-5022. You also have a local number, 01 International 908-542-0244. Much success, blessings, and safety to everyone.